In this quick video, let me show you how you can create an AI parody about Squid Game. First, go to the Video AI website and create a free account. After that, from the home screen, select the reference to video and then upload your reference images. You can upload up to 3. In this example, I use Scarlett Johansson as a character reference, the Squid Game outfit as the second, and a background image as the third. After that, type your prompt in the prompt bar. Be detailed in describing the video you want to generate, including actions, movements, camera style, and other settings. Next, adjust the setting like video duration, resolution, and movement style. Now click the Create button and let the platform generate your AI parody video. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.